Hi YouTube, this is Lucy from Bent Tree Gardens, and look at today's harvest. These are all the peppers I harvest from my hot pepper bed. It's Sarano's, cayenne peppers, Anaheim peppers. I have a couple of lemon cucumbers, one nice white cucumber, and a couple more pickling cucumbers. And in here, I have more of my hot peppers that I harvested, and here are the hots. I really forgot what this little yellow one is. Can't say, and a couple of bell peppers to go along with it. But also, I wanted to show you these big tomatoes. These big azucar, I think they're called tomatoes. They're nice yellow tomato. I got these from My Gardener, and I got 3 really huge ones. I have a couple more on the vine that are ripening up, and we got so much rain this year. One of them busted a little bit, so I had to pick it early and let it ripe inside. But they are really nice, huge yellow tomatoes. And I harvested some of these tomatoes also. You might remember when we did our seed review, and I think this was one of the first tomatoes that I said we're going to plant this year, and it is really pretty, and it's a nice sweet tomato. Well, anywho, I just wanted to do a quick show of my harvest today of all these beautiful peppers. It's crunch time. End of September is our first frost here in Zone 4. Okay, like and subscribe. This is Lucy from Bent Tree Gardens.